Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to install your audio device driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter. Scroll down and select your audio adapter. In this case I select sound and video tab or option of this list. Scroll down and select your audio device. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click. And if you receive and set up, click on next, install, and click on close. And to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. And wait a moment. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Your sound works properly or audio device works properly. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.